Hi, I'm Mark, and this is instructions on rolling hair for perms. The best thing to do first is to be organized. Section your hair. I usually like the traditional 9 section of 1 on the top, 2 on the sides, and 6 in the back, which is the center, 2 sides, and the center again. This will very well organize you for putting your rods in, and they are sectioned the size of the rods. Make sure the hair is wet, not too dry or too just moist, because when it is wet, it is easier to control and to have onto the roller. Then you're going to use your perm papers. Make sure your ends are smoothed out into the paper. The reason for a paper is to make sure your ends do not fish hook or flip around to make some weird cockeyed little shapes.